Hello friends, today we're gonna make some hot cocoa bombs. They're so fun and easy to make and they're so trendy right now. So let's get started. Here's a couple things that you will need to make them. Okay, first you'll need gloves to avoid fingerprints when decorating them and holding the actual hot cocoa bombs. Obviously you need the mold. You can get these on Amazon, Michael's, even Hobby Lobby sells them, so you can pretty much get them anywhere. You will need some chocolate candy wafers, any color you like. I'm gonna do the Grinch, so we're going with green. Need hot cocoa. I crushed some candy canes and made some little peppermint chips. Some boxes to put the hot cocoa bombs in. These are super cute. They were cheap at Hobby Lobby. Or some Christmas canisters. A hot plate and tablespoon. You will need cupcake holders, whatever color you choose, whatever kind, whatever color you choose is fine. Then you will need sprinkles or whatever you want to use for decorating. I found these big hearts. They're super cute for the Grinch. You will also need a brush and let's not forget the marshmallows. That's the most important part besides the hot cocoa. Look at these cute green marshmallows that I found. The little Christmas trees and the little white minis. And a cookie tray. Parchment paper. I use a bottle for when decorating and drizzling over the hot cocoa bombs. I find that easier, but you can use a pastry bag. Okay, let's get started. So now I poured some in the bowl and I'm just gonna microwave it 30 seconds and I'm going to stir it and I'm gonna keep doing that until it's all melted. Then we're gonna pour it in here. So let's get started. So now that it's melted, we're gonna pour some in the mold. And we're just gonna brush it along the side. And then we'll stick it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Here, 2. Spin it up the side, like that. And you just repeat the process. It's hardened. Now we're going to take them out. How cute is that? Super cute. Oh my goodness, super cute. Now we take the bottom and we want to fill it with hot cocoa. You want to add some marshmallows. Now we're gonna take our hot plate, which I just heated up in the microwave to make it warm. We're just gonna toss it around a little bit. Get it back up. And you're gonna repeat that process. You can never have too many marshmallows. Okay. So cute. Let's make some candy cane gingerbread man sticks that we can attach to our mugs when we drop the hot cocoa bombs in. They're so cute and so easy to make. You can use big candy canes or little ones. You just take them out of the package. Now, I got these adorable gingerbread men. You can make your own, or you could buy, there are other brands, thinner ones. I've used them, the thinner ones before too. They work great, but I bought these. Take your gingerbread man, so cute. Melt some chocolate. Put a little chocolate on the back. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Attach the candy cane. And then you just let it harden. And then it looks like that. Super cute, the candy cane. And then you attach it to your mug. When you throw your hot cocoa bomb in there, of course you're gonna add whipped cream, everything else, but look how cute. Got a cookie and a candy cane as well. How adorable, guys. Now you can hang them from your mugs. And you throw your hot cocoa bombs in. Super cute.